Details that make a difference. There are many other options of motorized solutions in the market, and even some of them coming from Asia with cheaper prices. But quite often, small details are the ones that make a difference. That's why, besides our global product quality, we focus so much on them. Here you have some examples. First, products that are 100% designed and made in Barcelona, one of the birthplaces of international design worldwide. Linac lifting columns made in Denmark. We don't use Asian motors. We only use Linac columns and actuators using state-of-the-art technologies and perfected production methods. The fact of using Linac motors allows us to offer a PVC-free product to ensure that our products don't harm the planet, and zero-watt technology to reduce motor consumption while on standby position. Award-winning design tent casters made in Europe for a smooth and better mobility. Caster fixing system is not based on a traditional welded nut inside a tube. We build reinforced systems using a solid metal custom-made workpiece that strengthens caster fastening, especially important in heavy load solutions. Built-in power strips and extension leads to get a tidy and clean installation. Optional drag chain for cable management purposes. We don't like to see any cable. We defend the well-done job. Worth fastening and assembly materials. We share Worth's motto, quality beats price. And that's why we only use top-quality screws, nuts, and bolts coming from this brand, which is among Germany's most admired companies. Elegant floor bases. We consider any company should be constructed and developed from a solid base. That's why we give a lot importance to the design of our floor bases, distinguishing them from any standard base in the market. Optional battery box, very useful in mobile applications as user has not to be looking for plugs when going through doors. Pre-assembled products that offers you installation time savings. Have you ever tried to assemble a motorized product coming from Asia? You will find a box plenty of parts, screws, etc. that you will have to assemble from zero. Compare it with our pre-assembled products. You will save time and a lot of money, becoming our solution a more cost-efficient one with European-made quality standards.